What's up, guys? It's Eric Kelly, aka the Tech Gentleman, bringing you guys another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the official clear case from Samsung for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip6. Before I get going, I want to remind you guys, make sure you hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Threads. I'll have links in the description below. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And if you got any comments or questions, make sure you leave them down below. I'll make sure to get back to you. But without further ado, let's talk tech. So this is the official clear case for the Galaxy Z Flip 5. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Very simple case. Shouldn't be too much to it. Like I said, it is $39.99. One of their more reasonably priced cases. The thing I like about the official cases definitely has to be the fit. They tend to fit very snugly. So when you take it out, there's not a lot going on here. Some of these clear cases have like a little film over them or something, but this one you just have this sticker that we're going to take off right there, and just the other little bit of debris on there tends to be or looks like there's like a lot of heavy rainbow in as well. I'm trying to wipe it out, see if that helps at all, and it doesn't. All right, but either way, let's slap this guy on. Should be pretty straightforward. And once again, like I said, the fit on these Samsung cases is great. This looks like there is no case on here. Just so you can see the difference there. One side with the case, one side without. Even visually, once you get about arm's length away outside of the reflection, unless you know that the phone is matte, you won't notice it's on there. So now let's do the top. We will take off the little adhesives. If you know anything about folding phones, the front pieces of their cases always have a little adhesive there because you are basically working with a limited amount of surface area. So once again, the fit and the decision to black out around the area. So now once again, arm's length. Does it have a case on it? Yes, no, maybe so. And when you open it up, oh, it says flip on the side. Look at that. That's interesting. And that's on there. Okay, whatever. But yeah, so now you have this case. Doesn't interfere with the cameras at all. It does give you a little bit of protection though, a little bit of lip there. As you can tell now, it's actually just raised up above the cameras. So this is a good case if you want to sit things down flat like that. You throw you on a tempered glass here and you will be rocking. You got the little finger deal there. I know my wife will enjoy that. But yeah, this is a very slick, minimalistic case. You get to preserve the color of your phone, get to observe it without worrying about scratching it up, get a little bit of light protection. But yeah, on the bottom, as far as chargers go, you can plug pretty much anything into that because it is kind of open near the top there. Holes for mics, holes for speaker. On the right side, you got your fingerprint scanner. Once again, it's kind of open, and your volume rocker up and down. The volume rocker is covered, and there's no text or anything, so you just have to know what's up. But the difference between the power button and the rocker, I appreciate that. Up top on the hinge, it is open. On the right side, it's completely closed in, but it does say flip there in that color. Don't know why, don't know when they added that, but it is what it is. On the back, the little hook is permanently attached, so there is no option to remove it, which for some will inspire confidence. I know for my wife, as far as the MagSafe kind of attached stuff, I thought she'd like it, but she said she felt a little uneasy about using it. So if this case is for you, $39.99. I have links in the description below, but until next time, I'll talk to you. Peace.